Are you ready to meet the heavy machinery that's breaking all the rules? Welcome to a world where construction and mining machines are no longer just tools, they're technological marvels. From powerful excavators to futuristic trenchers, these machines are designed not only to get the job done, but to do it faster, better, and with more flair than ever before. Let's dive into the incredible world of machinery and explore how these innovative models are revolutionizing the construction and mining industries. Number 10. The UNAC TVAR-22 Excavator. The UNAC TVAR-22 Excavator stands out in the world of construction for its exceptional maneuverability and impressive lifting capacity. This self-propelled machine, equipped with a hydrostatic drive, is ideal for both challenging terrains and tight spaces. Its small turning radius allows the TR-22 to easily navigate confined areas and rough terrains, making it indispensable for construction projects on roads and hard-to-reach locations. With the ability to lift up to 6 tons to a height of 4.5 meters, the TR-22 is a robust machine capable of handling heavy equipment and difficult tasks. Its impressive power and stability make it perfect for tasks requiring both strength and precision, such as lifting materials on steep slopes or working in rugged conditions. Number 9. Vermeer T655 Trencher. Next in line is the Vermeer T655 Trencher, designed to excel in tough soil conditions. Featuring advanced technologies like the electronic rock management system, the T655 offers high precision in trenching operations. This trencher is optimized for construction and agricultural tasks, delivering impressive productivity and reliability. One of the key features of the Vermeer T655 is its optional digital display, which allows operators to easily monitor operational parameters. This feature enhances user experience by making the machine more intuitive and efficient. Whether digging in rocky soil or dense earth, the T655 ensures minimal disruption and maximum precision, making it a must-have tool for professionals in construction and agriculture. Number 8. GeoJ F990 Crane. The GeoJ F990 crane is a game-changer in lifting technology. Despite its compact size, it delivers an impressive lifting capacity of 21.5 tons and can reach heights of up to 134.5 feet. The JF990 is powered by either an electric or diesel engine, offering flexibility for both indoor and outdoor tasks. This crane's telescopic boom adds to its versatility, enabling it to handle heavy loads with ease. It is particularly useful for confined spaces where larger cranes would struggle, making it an ideal choice for urban construction projects. The JF990's ability to tackle the most demanding tasks while maintaining mobility makes it a valuable asset for construction teams worldwide. Number 7. Intergrain 4045 T-Series Chain Trencher. For agricultural drainage projects, the Intergrain 4045 T-Series Chain Trencher is a revolutionary solution. This powerful machine is built to install drainage slabs efficiently, even in the most challenging conditions. One of its standout features is the automatic GPS sorting function, which increases the precision of trenching operations by simplifying control. The 4045 T-Series is known for its high productivity, allowing contractors to complete complex drainage projects with ease. Its ability to handle large-scale tasks with minimal difficulty makes it the go-to equipment for agricultural drainage and other trenching needs. Number 6. Senebogen 895E Hybrid. The Senebogen 895E Hybrid is a true giant among material handlers, with an operating weight of 420 tons and a boom reach of up to 40 meters. This powerful machine is designed to handle large loads, including scrap metal and coal, making it ideal for port operations and material handling in various industries. The 895E Hybrid uses a dual green hybrid system, improving efficiency while reducing environmental impact. This hybrid technology not only boosts productivity, but also minimizes fuel consumption, making the Senebogen 895E an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for large-scale material handling. Number 5. The Chemrock E-Key 140 Chain Cutter. For jobs that require high precision and minimal vibration, the Chemrock E-Key 140 Chain Cutter is a perfect fit. This machine, designed to work with excavators ranging from 1.5 to 70 tons, is ideal for milling rocks with compressive strength of up to 100 megapascals. With its high efficiency and ability to work in narrow trenches, the EK140 is perfect for tasks that demand precision, such as trenching in rock-rich areas. Thanks to its minimal vibration, operators can work longer hours without sacrificing comfort or accuracy. Number 4. The Komatsu PC4000 Excavator. When demolition work calls for high power and efficiency, the Komatsu PC4000 Excavator with a heavy-duty shear is the perfect tool. This combination of a powerful excavator and the world's largest shear is designed for decommissioning massive structures like power plants and industrial facilities. Known for its robust construction and high-quality mechanisms, this unit can handle the most complex tasks in demolition, making it an indispensable tool for the toughest projects. Number 3. The HS8300 Excavator. The HS8300 Excavator is engineered for high-efficiency mining, excelling in heavy-duty operations, especially in dragline mode. It features a hydraulic accumulator that recovers energy during operation, boosting overall efficiency. This innovative technology minimizes fuel consumption, cutting down on operational costs. The excavator's advanced bucking system not only enhances fuel economy, but also extends the lifespan of the equipment. Built for demanding tasks, the HS8300 ensures optimal productivity with reduced environmental impact. Its robust design and reliability make it ideal for large-scale mining projects. The HS8300 offers an exceptional balance of power, efficiency, and durability. It's a game changer for companies seeking to maximize their mining output. With its focus on performance and cost savings, the HS8300 Excavator is a crucial asset for modern mining operations. Number 2. The QTS Forwarder. The QTS Forwarder is revolutionizing timber transport in the rail industry. With a robust engine capable of splitting timber up to 23.6 inches in just 10 seconds, it offers unmatched efficiency. This fully automated rail chipper is designed for precision, making it a game changer for large-scale projects. Whether it's for the Glasgow Southwest Line or other high-demand tasks, the QTS Forwarder ensures fast, accurate timber handling. It significantly reduces operational downtime, improving overall productivity. Built for speed and reliability, it's a must-have tool for modern railway construction. The QTS Forwarder is setting a new standard in timber transport. Number 1. Caterpillar D11 Dozer, the ultimate in earth-moving power. Caterpillar's D11 Dozer is a true titan in the world of earth-moving machinery. With its enormous size, rugged design, and impressive pushing power, the D11 is a must-have on large-scale construction and mining projects. It is engineered to tackle the toughest jobs, from clearing land to pushing large volumes of material. The D11 Dozer is known for its ability to handle extreme environments, making it a reliable tool in the mining sector. Its high-horsepower engine delivers unparalleled performance, allowing it to move massive amounts of dirt and rock effortlessly. Whether used for heavy-duty mining, construction, or land clearing, the D11 is built to get the job done faster and more efficiently. And there you have it, folks. Machines that make your home renovations look like child's play. If you enjoyed this heavy-duty tour of the future, don't forget to hit that like button so hard it feels like a wrecking ball. And hey, if you want more jaw-dropping tech content, make sure to subscribe. You know you're not going to want to miss the next big thing. See you in the next one, and remember, keep building and keep breaking boundaries.